Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with the last of the Steampunk Extras set for Zombicide Undead or Alive. This is Lord Forsaken. He was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started with Death Reaper for his suit. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I grabbed Offwhite and added in his shirt and the feather in his hat. With the shirt now done, I used Dwarven Skin to do the base coat for all of that exposed skin. The back of his chair is a yellow-green colour, so I used olive green as the base layer. For the wooden parts of the chair, I went for Wasteland brown. He has a ribbon around his hat and a tie on, and they both get done with Vallejo's flat red. The base, as always, gets a once over with Plague brown. To add some highlights to his suit, I grabbed dark sea green, added in all of the tops of the folds and the edges. Just to emphasize the depth of the chair, I used gold and olive just to bring up those raised parts of the cushions. Adding a bit of a highlight to his skin, I used Elven Skin from Two Thin Coats. I wanted to try out my new gold paint this week. This is AK Interactive Gold. It's a bit brighter than I thought, but still covers pretty well and has a good shine to it. The silver parts of all the workings get a once over with plate armour. Moving on to the washes, I get started with Oblivion Black Wash over his suit and these silver parts. For everything else on the Mini, I went for a wash of light tone wash. Finishing off, I add in some sandy desert texture paste to the base. And that will be it for Lord Forsaken. This mini didn't take too long, but I feel it could well have done if I went down the rabbit hole of doing all the little details on the mechanical parts. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.